Do you ever feel bloated or uncomfortable after a greasy meal? Don't overlook this super common ingredient right in your kitchen. With just a few fresh ginger roots, I'll show you how to make the perfect pickled ginger. It's a beloved traditional side dish, known for its warm, spicy flavor that makes meals feel lighter and supports digestion naturally. Before we start, let me know in the comments, which country are you watching from? For the best result, try to choose young ginger if you can. It's less fibrous, milder, and has a wonderful crunch. If you only have mature ginger, that's totally fine. Just slice it a bit thinner. First, soak the ginger in salted water for 10 minutes to remove any dirt. Then, check it carefully and trim away any bad spots. Quick tip, instead of a knife, use the back of a spoon to scrape off the skin. It's safe, efficient, and helps you get into every little nook without wasting any ginger. Do you usually use a knife or a spoon to peel ginger? Share your own hacks with me in the comments below. Once peeled, give the ginger one final rinse and let it air dry. Use a very sharp knife or a grater to slice the ginger into the thinnest slices possible. The thickness of the slices determines 80% of the result. If they're too thick, the ginger will be too sharp. If they're super thin, they'll absorb the pickling liquid quickly, stay crunchy, and be delicious to eat. While slicing, the wonderful aroma of ginger fills the air. That's thanks to gingerol, the compound behind the signature warm, spicy flavor that people all over the world love. Don't worry if the slices aren't completely identical. The important part is that they are thin enough to absorb the brine quickly. After slicing, toss the ginger with 2 teaspoons of salt and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This step draws out the harshness, keeping the ginger mild and perfectly crunchy for a long time. Next, blanch it in boiling water for just 2 minutes. Drain it, rinse immediately with cold water, and let it dry. Use clean hands to gently squeeze out any excess water. The drier the ginger, the longer it will last. Next is the part that creates the signature flavor of this pickled ginger. In a pot, combine 120 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 200 milliliters of rice vinegar. I love using rice vinegar because it has a very mild, clean tang that isn't too harsh, creating a well-balanced and palatable flavor when combined with the ginger. Heat until the sugar dissolves, then remove from heat. Once it cools down to just lukewarm, pour it into your jar of ginger. I always prefer glass jars over plastic. Glass doesn't absorb odors, it's easy to clean, and it's perfect for pickling. Pack the ginger into the sterilized glass jar and pour the warm brine over until the ginger is completely submerged. Pop the lid on, let it cool completely, and then store it in the fridge. It's ready to enjoy after just one day in the fridge. This jar can keep its crunch for up to 6 months. The pickled ginger has a mild sweet and sour taste, a gentle spicy kick, and a great crunch. Each translucent slice is packed with flavor and looks absolutely beautiful. Take one bite and you'll taste the difference. It's perfectly crisp with a balanced sweet and sour flavor and a clean, subtle warmth. It's not overpowering at all. In fact, it's incredibly appetizing. Many of you ask why I eat ginger every day. Simply put, it helps cleanse the palate and leaves your digestion feeling light after meals. You can enjoy a few slices of pickled ginger with sushi and sashimi, kimbap or rice rolls, grilled dishes, seafood, or greasy and heavy foods. Ginger contains natural gingerol, a fantastic tool to aid digestion, reduce bloating, and warm the body. A quick note on consumption. Portion. 3 to 5 slices a day is plenty. Precaution. Since it contains vinegar, salt, and sugar, those with severe stomach issues or high blood pressure should consume it in moderation. Have you tried making this pickled ginger yet? Don't forget to come back and comment if it's as addictive as I said. With just a few familiar ingredients, you can make your own jar of crunchy, fragrant pickled ginger that is super convenient for daily meals. This is a simple, budget-friendly recipe that's perfect for anyone who loves homemade goodness. If you enjoy simple recipes using natural ingredients like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, good luck with your batch, and see you in the next recipe.